All right, so just got a package recently that I wanted to share with you. Ordered this back in November, it just barely arrived. So why don't we see what is inside this thing? Oh, got some packing slip. It actually says shipped from Staples, and apparently Staples ships stuff from Honda. So what do you think is inside this? Oh yes, it's what I thought. So these are the helmets that you can order when you buy the Moto Compacto. So I ordered one small to medium for those who have littler heads, and then a large / XL for those who might have a little bit more robust head. So there it is. We've got the small, looks pretty fun, Soul Bicycles. And you know the Moto Compacto is not a bicycle, it is a scooter, and it's a very fun scooter at that. But let's check it out. Let's open the big one. See how it looks. Here we go. Oh, it's in this nice little bag, and look at that. Honda. Pretty sweet. Officially licensed product. So when I bought the Moto Compacto, I'm like, yes, I definitely have to get the helmets. The helmets are awesome. They're cute, but they're fun. Shall we see what it looks like inside the bag? All right. Hey, no peeking. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my, look at that. It's so fun. So fun. I'm pretty sure that when Honda created this, they wanted to have something that was fun, something that was utility, but would still protect your head, something that you could wear to the office. I mean, look at these straps. Got some nice straps. I don't know if it's leather. Could be official. I mean, it looks leather. Let's look at that. Soul helmet. We're so happy you chose our helmet to keep you safe while riding. Looks pretty fun. So that's cool. But got an owner's manual, stuff like that. And then it's got this nice little adjuster. If you're familiar with helmets, these are really nice. It keeps the helmet fitting very nicely to your cranium. It's a pretty decent looking helmet. I really like it. Got the rivets here. You know, this thing is gonna be good. It looks like it'll be safe. And looks like a model number Helm 002-ML. I wonder what certification it has. But back in the day, you had to have these with a certain level of certification. So let's see if that is listed here. If this has such a certification, which I would expect. It's got AccuFit. Very good. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't see any certification here. So usually you have a certain certification for the helmet. I'll look around and check to see if it does have that, but in theory it should be safe, right? Let's look at this buckle, because it said it had some potential magnetic properties to it. Ooh, I can feel that. That is really cool, actually. Look at this. Nice. So it does buckle into place. Once it's in, but it's really neat. You don't have to like use the traditional buckle that pinches under your chin. I've definitely done that before. I'm paranoid about it, so I don't do that, but I've been pinched before. This is really slick. Wow, look at that. Fiddle lock? That's fun. But that's a pretty ingenious design for the helmet. It's been a while since I bought a helmet for my mountain bike, but maybe that's how a lot of helmets are these days. I don't know. I really like that slide action, and it's got some magnetic properties to it. That's pretty sweet. Good looking helmet. Looks like it's gonna be really good for the Moto Compacto. Stylish, cute, but not too cutesy. And it doesn't look too sporty like a regular traditional helmet, so, and that's why I liked it. And it says Honda on the side. That is pretty sweet. So, how long did it take for you to get your helmet? So, let me know in the comments. Did you get yours yet? I was one of the first who purchased these helmets, and just barely came since November. So that was December, January, February, March. I mean, nearly 5 months. It's crazy. But it does say not for motorcycle use. So it's just for bike use. So not safe for motorcycles. And it does say here for bicycles. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing of the Moto Compacto helmet. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.